Did you know that the apps you already use every single day have AI tools hidden inside them that could save you hours of work? Most people never touch these features. Today we're covering 7 hidden AI tools inside apps you use every day that feel almost illegal to know about. From Google Sheets analyzing your data automatically, to Notion answering questions about your entire workspace, to Canva editing images with a single sentence, to a free voice assistant that puts Siri to shame. These aren't beta features or paid add-ons. They're already in the apps on your phone and computer right now. Let's dive in. First up is Google Sheets, and specifically a feature called Analyze Data. If you've ever stared at a spreadsheet full of numbers and had no idea what any of it means, this one's for you. Instead of writing complex formulas or pivot tables, you just click a button. Google Sheets uses AI to automatically scan your data, identify trends, and generate visual charts and summaries. You literally open a spreadsheet, click the Analyze Data button in the bottom right corner, and it gives you instant insights. It shows you patterns you might have missed, suggests charts, and even answers plain English questions about your data. You can type something like, "What's my best-selling product this quarter?" and it gives you the answer with a chart. For anyone who works with data but isn't a spreadsheet wizard, this feature is a game changer. And it's completely free inside Google Sheets. No extra plugin, no paid tier. Just sitting there waiting for you to click it. Number 2 is Notion AI, and specifically its Q&A feature. Notion is already one of the most popular workspace tools for notes, docs, and project management. But most people don't realize it has a built-in AI that can answer questions about everything in your entire workspace. Imagine being able to ask, "What did the team decide last week about the product launch?" and getting an instant answer pulled from your meeting notes, project pages, and comments. That's exactly what Notion AI Q&A does. It reads across all your pages and documents, understands the context, and gives you a synthesized answer with links to the source material. You don't have to search manually or remember which page had the information you need. The AI finds it for you. It can also summarize long documents, extract action items from meeting notes, and even draft new pages based on your existing content. The Q&A feature alone saves hours of searching every week. If you use Notion for anything, this is the feature you need to start using today. Number 3 is Canva Magic Edit, and this one genuinely feels like cheating. Canva is already the go-to design tool for millions of people, but most users don't know about its AI-powered Magic Edit feature. Here's how it works. You upload any photo, select an area of the image, type what you want to replace it with, and the AI swaps it out instantly. Got a photo with a distracting person in the background? Select them, type remove, and they're gone. Want to change a cloudy sky to a sunset? Select the sky, type golden hour sunset, and watch it transform. The AI handles lighting, shadows, and blending automatically. You can also use Magic Write inside Canva to generate captions, rewrite text in different tones, and even translate designs into over 100 languages. The free tier gives you a limited number of Magic Edit uses, but even a few uses per month can transform your social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials without needing Photoshop or any design skills. Number 4 is Gmail, and yes, the email app you check 50 times a day has AI built right in. Gmail's Smart Compose has been around for a while, suggesting words as you type, but Google has added something much more powerful. You can now ask Gmail to summarize long email threads with a single click. Instead of scrolling through a 20-message chain to figure out what was decided, you click Summarize and get a clean bullet point summary of the key points, decisions, and action items. It also has Smart Reply, which suggests contextually appropriate responses to emails. And the AI prioritization system learns which emails matter most to you and pushes the rest into a secondary tab. For anyone drowning in email, these features can cut your inbox time in half. The Summarize feature alone is worth its weight in gold for anyone who deals with long group email threads at work or school. And again, it's built into the free version of Gmail. No extensions, no extra apps. Number 5 is Windows Copilot, and if you use a Windows computer, this one might blow your mind. Microsoft has baked an AI assistant directly into Windows that can do things Siri and Google Assistant can only dream about. You can ask Copilot to summarize a document you just downloaded, change your computer's settings, generate images for a presentation, or write an email response without ever opening a browser. Just press the Windows key plus C, type, or speak your request, and Copilot goes to work. It can take a screenshot of your screen and answer questions about what's on it. It can explain a concept, draft a document, or even help you troubleshoot a Windows problem. The integration goes deep. Copilot can toggle settings like dark mode or Bluetooth, open specific apps, and search your computer for files. For Windows users who already have the Copilot key on their keyboard or the button on their taskbar, this is a powerful assistant sitting right there, completely free, that most people have never even clicked. Number 6 is Spotify AI DJ, and this one changes how you experience music. Spotify has taken its recommendation algorithm and wrapped it in an AI voice that actually talks to you about the songs it's playing. When you open the DJ feature, an AI voice introduces songs, explains why they were chosen for you based on your listening history, and gives context about the artists. It's like having a personal radio host who knows your taste perfectly. The AI DJ pulls from Spotify's massive understanding of your listening habits and mixes familiar favorites with new discoveries in a way that feels personal and curated. It even adjusts the mix throughout the day based on what you seem to be in the mood for. This feature used to be premium only, but Spotify has been expanding access, and it represents a completely different way to listen to music compared to just hitting shuffle. Instead of skipping songs, the DJ keeps you engaged by creating a narrative around your listening experience. It's the kind of feature that makes you wonder how you ever listened without it. And number 7 is ChatGPT Voice Mode, the feature that makes every other voice assistant feel like a calculator from 2005. If you have the ChatGPT app on your phone, you can tap the headphone icon and start having a real conversation with AI. It listens, responds naturally, handles interruptions, and adjusts its tone based on the context. You can ask it to help you prepare for a job interview by role-playing as the interviewer. You can have it explain a complex topic while you're cooking dinner. You can practice a new language with instant feedback on pronunciation. The voice sounds natural, handles back-and-forth conversation, and remembers context throughout the chat. It even works in multiple languages. This is the voice assistant we were promised for years and never got from Siri or Google Assistant. And it's free in the ChatGPT mobile app. If you haven't tried talking to ChatGPT instead of typing, you're missing out on what might be the most useful AI feature of all. And there you have it. 7 AI tools hidden inside apps you already use every single day. From Google Sheets analyzing your data, to Notion answering questions about your workspace, to Canva editing images with a sentence, to Gmail summarizing email threads, to Windows Copilot controlling your computer, to Spotify DJing your music, to ChatGPT's voice mode replacing every assistant you've ever used. These features are already on your devices right now, completely free, just waiting for you to try them. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tech content every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.